Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can replace burn-out car headlight bulbs in a circle. So let's start with the headlights. There are several low and high beam bulbs here. To replace, you need to put a little pressure on the light bulb and scroll it, the cartridge. Further, we remove the fasteners of the light bulb and take it out from the cartridge. The next light bulb changes in the same way. Now we go to the tail light. There are also several bulbs here. To replace this light bulb, you need to put pressure on it and scroll it in the socket. To replace this light bulb, you need to get the socket and remove the light bulb. The rest of the bulbs change in the same way. In order to replace the burned light bulb inside the cabin, you need to disassemble the plastic and replace the light bulb. Friends, if any of the dashboard bulb does not burn, then in order to replace it, we will need to disassemble the dashboard. It's removed from here if you pull it on yourself. Friends, there are our light bulb, blue and yellow. To replace any of them, you just need to scroll through it. order to replace the turn signal bulb, we need to remove it by pressing away from our cylinders. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.